Alright, good morning, guys. It is August 6th, I think. We are getting ready to start on a new project, you guys. It's in the lakes area, and I'm excited because this is a pretty, it's a big size one here, and it's going to be fun because we get to be creative with it, do what we need to on this project, make it look nice. Well, we have plans and stuff too, but just one of those projects that I'm looking forward to. Alright, let's go see. We got to load up both of the trailers, you guys. The tilt. This is our first time using both of them, the tilt and my old one, homemade one. We're doing that over there. We've got some freestanding walls and some columns, you guys, we got to put up. So, yeah, let's see here. I'm gonna walk over there. This is our new walk over to our new shop. Guys, it's been a while since we used this trailer. Right there. I'm ready to go. Let's head out. We are here on location, and it's a tight spot, a very tight location, and we're gonna unload our skids. So, yeah, should be all right, Micah, until we unload. Let's unload this, and then we can pull the trailer up. Watch out for the car coming. Alright guys, so we got everything cleared with our digging. So everything's all marked. So what we're gonna do is, here, let you look at that. See the front here? This is the driveway right here. So we're gonna do a paver. We're gonna run paver, same thing like this, coming down this way, all the way this way. Yep, and it'll be sloped just like that, and then coming right here. And then this is gonna be just bullet edgers. Bullet edgers. Yep. And then plants, and then up here on this deck, What we're gonna do over here is we're gonna fill black dirt. We're gonna get soil here, topsoil. Yeah, we gotta remove all of that stuff. This should
be empty, right?
Yeah, this should be able to dig out pretty good, easy. Should be, whatever we can.
Yeah.
So, and then here, see how we have that. We're gonna take this off, and take this off, and we're gonna build the freestanding wall right here, in between here. So, okay. And back here, we're actually gonna put come out 4 feet and steps. It's gonna be steps. Yeah.
So 5 columns.
So right here, 6 actually. We changed this. This is all gonna be different. We're 6 columns. So there's gonna be 1 here because we were gonna do an opening on this side, but we're not gonna do that anymore. So we're actually
20 by 20.
Yeah, 20 by 20. So 1 column here, running out this way, 20 feet. Then yeah, and then actually come out this way right here. Right here.
4 feet on each side then, right?
Yeah, what's
Where
that?
the steps are gonna be. So it'd be, is that 4?
Yeah, well, 10, 5 actually, yeah, about 5. So 20 feet, yeah. So 5, and then we're gonna build that up, yeah. Because this side, the only opening we're gonna have is up here now. So the center, two pillars right there, or 2 columns. And so 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's going to be 6, and then this whole area is going to be pavers. So we're going to have to backfill a bunch of that with topsoil. Bring in topsoil. And fill that. Same thing here. We got to get all this topsoil leveled out and going out this way.
Floor's just sitting right there, right? Sit on
level,
there.
no, right here. Level with this, the top.
Oh, okay.
So it's on top here, level, and then angle down just like that there. We'll frame it up. We got all the cement out, guys. I'm clearing out some of this grass here. Actually, gotta pull all that grass out. So yeah. What's nice about having this truck is that we can open both of the sides and put materials in there. We have like 20 or I bet you about 20 pallets total, you guys, that we got to take to the job site. Alright guys, Michael is finishing that up. Busy working in the back. So, yeah, paver's gonna go in. We're gonna have the border's gonna be charcoal. It's got gray and brown and tan into it, so it matches the house. And back here, we're gonna end up doing this whole house anyways, around the whole area. At first she just wanted us to do the front and the back. Now she wants us to do all of it. Look at the view though. So there's the view, guys. And here's what we got. We're gonna build a step there. And then we're gonna have a column there, column here, 2 columns in the middle, column on that end, and then column down there, guys. We made progress today. Made progress today. Never fails. Check this out. We were coming. It was coming. Look good? Should look good. It's cooling down. I can feel it. We did go like that. They paid it, right? I got charged for 12. It should fit.
Be close. That's gonna be a little short.
Short? Dude, perfect, dude. You give me one more, it'll fit right in there.
Nah.
Yeah.
I'll bleed you.
Serious, remember you said, oh no, you said that one's bigger. That one's bigger.
Yeah.
Okay.
About 2 inches.
Is it good? Look good, look good. I think it looks good. Looks great. Man. Yeah. Looks real good. Guys, right there. Not bad, not bad. So, it's looking good though. Looking good.